Hello, my name is Rashmi from the Department of Criminology, Raksha Shakti University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The title of the module is Social Media. The objectives of the module are: number 1, to understand the definition of social media and its basic features. Number 2, to explore the characteristics of social media. Number 3, to get an overview of basic kinds of social media. Number 4, to understand the working of a social media site and also its evolution and development since inception. Number 5, to gain knowledge about the impact of social media on individuals as well as the broader society. Some of the prerequisites for this module are: students should be familiar with technology, media, cyberspace, information sharing, web design, communication, socialization. The rapid development of both technology and the skills and knowledge of social media users means that what makes up social media continues to change at a rapid rate as new websites and online content appear each day. The general availability of the internet has given individuals the opportunity to use social media from email to Twitter and Facebook and to interact without the need for physical meetings. This has been facilitated by Web 2.0 applications. Web 2.0 is a new advancement which has transferred the internet to a social environment by introducing social media where individuals can interact and generate content online. With the rise of social media and online communities, individuals can easily share and access information. Social media offer different values to firms such as enhanced brand popularity, facilitating word-of-mouth communication, increasing sales, sharing information in a business context, and generating social support for consumers. This module will also give an overview of different forms of social media. Social networking is also considered a more casual form of the many forms and types of social media. Facebook and MySpace are the two biggest examples that almost everyone is familiar with. The purpose of Facebook and MySpace similar sites is to socialize with friends, classmates, or other people. Most social networks work this way. That is, find a friend, add a friend, read friends' blogs or notes, see what friends are up to with real-time updates, and unite with like-minded people. Some of these types of sites are general, while others, like LinkedIn, connect you with people in the professional world so that you can network with those in the same field as you are, or to make connections in companies that are similar to the one you work with. LinkedIn is great for those wishing to find those in the same profession. Web 2.0 has emerged to give users easier interconnectivity and participation on the web. Social media rely on web-based technologies to turn discrete, usually rather short, user contributions such as status updates or comments into an activity stream. Examining social media therefore requires us to think about how social tools facilitate the production and dissemination of information and how they enable people to discuss and consume this information. Unlike traditional search technologies, which only return results related to the search terms that you input, social tools harness your network to inform you about issues and developments you may not be aware of. They can even provide alternative strategies and approaches to questions based on collective experience. In other words, search can provide you with answers only to the questions you ask, whereas social media can also provide you with intelligently filtered information that helps you to stimulate new questions in the same way that a conversation with a colleague might. Social media thus is an evolution of word of mouth that scaled up by leveraging the pervasiveness of internet. The major components of social media span are: number 1, social networking; number 2, microblogs; number 3, blogs; number 4, RSS feeds; 5, widgets; 6, linking and posting; 7, content rating; 8, bookmarking sites; 9, audio podcasting, video podcasting. For many people, well-known social network sites such as Facebook and Twitter typify social media. The sites have become enormously popular across demographics of race, age, and gender, and have hundreds of millions of users. This module will also walk you through various social media applications so that by the end you will have a good understanding of the topic. Categories of social media are: communication for direct interaction, collaboration with social news and bookmarking, multimedia, photography and video sharing, as well as other accessories for cell phones, websites, etc. Being on social media lets people, that is social media users, know that we care and are listening or keeping up to date with the current trends. It is also open to new ways of getting in touch and sharing knowledge. It can act as a motivational tool, reintroduce care or concern about the environment to the people. Technology may have caused decline in attention to and care for the environment, but technology or social media is how to get that attention back. Social media is a really convenient and important communication network for all people nowadays. There are always advantages and disadvantages of using social media. It has changed people's lives in so many ways since it is a useful tool. It comes in different forms and structures. Social media is used by millions of individuals who collectively generate an array of social forms from their interactions. It has revolutionized human interaction with the advancement of technology. Online communities are becoming popular and people can use them on the go with the help of handheld devices like their cell phones. The world is also getting closer every day and everyone wants to be connected through social media. Social media can also use to improve public perception. People can easily convey messages in a format that suits the audience. After completing this module, you will be able to understand the definition of social media and its basic features, to explore the characteristics of social media, to get an overview of basic kinds of social media, to understand the working of a social media site and also its evolution and development since its inception, to gain knowledge about the impact of social media on individuals as well as the broader society. Social media is the online media which is used by people as a platform or a medium to post contents. This contents may vary from individual to individual and also from region to region. It is a means of communication where people can socialize with someone who is in a different part of the world. This online space has developed and expanded with the advancement of technology. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. are also constantly changing. People can exchange photos, videos, post their opinions and thoughts on any topic, participate in online discussions through the use of social media. Internet has drastically affected the way people interact and socialize through the evolution and development of social media. It has helped to make the world a smaller place to live in. Social media facilitates interpersonal communication in the cyberspace. It has paved the way for an advanced mode of communication. Now we will look at the definition of social media. Social media is a broad term. It refers to a medium of communication like the internet, where people can share and receive information with each other. Social media is a shared environment where contents are easily shared and conversations can take place between people and communities across the world. Some of the basic features of social media are as follows. User interface, that is, social media is focused on the personal interests of the users. People can only share information only if they have an account on specific sites. And it is only through this private or public accounts that they can extend their social circle or network. The interface is also simple in terms of color scheme and graphics. The accounts of the users are an individualistic representation of an individual. Personalization. Social media runs on social software and it allows users to customize or modify their profiles and accounts in order to better connect with people online. The user can focus on the little details of his or her profiles and make new friends or get involved with new interests and groups. Users can also subscribe to specific kind of information. Information sharing. People can share videos, photos and other content within their account. They can also save that information on the social media sites. Real-time updates on the newsfeed. Users get information from other users in real time via their newsfeed. Newsfeed consists of updates that are posted as soon as they are submitted online within the application. Simple web forms. Social media has simple design element which requires the user to sign up and an email ID and a password. The design form varies across different social media sites. For example, Reddit has a short sign-up period with no email confirmation or activation required. Search functionality. One of the best features of social media sites is its good search functionality, which has multiple dimensions. It lets users search any person, group or communities. The search also filters out the content for a more quick and advanced search. Characteristics of social media. 5 important characteristics of social media are: Number 1, openness. The social media services are open to feedback and suggestions. People can access any information and can share information without any password protected restrictions. People can also participate without any barrier. Number 2, community. Communities can be created on social media platforms which share a common interest as well as goals to communicate and work effectively towards a shared objective. Number 3, connectedness. People can make use of various sites, resources and information and people through social media. Involvement. Social media encompasses people to get involved and participate on any type of discussion. Conversation. Social media emphasizes on two-way conversation rather than just broadcasting content to the audience. The whole idea of social media is to socialize. Kinds of social media. Some of the basic forms of social media are blogs. Blogs are short for weblog. They are online journals in which pages are displayed in reverse chronological order. They can be free on websites such as WordPress, Tumblr, etc. Social networking sites. These sites are web-based services that allow the people to open a public or semi-public profile and then connect with friends or to share their content. Most popular sites are Facebook and LinkedIn. Wikis. They are websites that allow people to modify or add information on any page or create a new page using a web browser. For example, Wikipedia, which is an online encyclopedia. Microblogging, they are also known as status update services that allow people to share updates about their daily events where a small amount of content is distributed. Forums, they are online communities that allow discussion around specific topics and discussions. Media sharing sites, these sites allow sharing of particular kinds of content such as photographs and videos. Most popular are YouTube and Instagram. Workings of a social media site. The general processes in a social media site involve the following steps. Number 1, creating an account on a particular site. The account must be verified through a confirmation link received in email. Updating the information to represent the account created. Sharing of information through website, posts and uploads. Building networks and socializing with other users on the site. Evolution and development of social media. Social media has revolutionized the way people communicate with each other. Social media has become an integral part of everybody's lives. People have been increasingly using social networking sites. Although it is a recent innovation, but people began using social media platforms in the early 1970s. Usenet created the first online community. It was developed by Tom Truscott and Jim Ellis. Users could post articles or news on the site. This site comprised of people from various backgrounds such as scientists, government officials, large corporations and activists. Early social networks included dating sites which allowed people to create profiles and connect to other users, forums which played a great role in the evolution of social media. Forums helped to increase the social network of an individual. However, it was in the 1990s when the broadband internet became popular that people started to create and upload content over the internet. The first social networking site appeared in the year 1997. In the 2000s, many more social networking sites were launched. The 2000s marked huge developments in social networking media. These sites were mostly online discussion forums where people carried out live conversations. The idea behind all these sites was to make an appeal to the masses, and the main purpose was to help people keep connected to each other. This also turned out to be a launching point for several other similar sites. This is when social media gained widespread acceptance among the masses. In the year 2004 and 2006, most popular social networking sites, Facebook and Twitter, were launched respectively. The development of a growing number of sites has also increased the competition in the media industry. Earlier, sites were focused on targeting the general population. Social media has made a transition with its development. Now they are targeting a niche population. Sites are competing for the user's time and attention. The aim is to interact and attract smaller communities and people who share a common interest. In the year 2005, YouTube was the first major video hosting and sharing site. The evolution and development of social media has created a whole new way of seeing what's going on in the world. Almost all sites allow users to post real-time updates. People can live stream whatever they are currently doing. There are sites for everything, for example, shopping sites, sites for booking movie tickets, apps, plan a trip, etc. Social media has become a huge part of millions of people worldwide. The impact of social media. Social media has both positive and negative effects on an individual as well as the broader society. Social media has transformed people's lifestyle as well as the way they communicate with each other. It is accessible by anyone with a computer or a mobile device from anywhere in the world. Some of the positive impacts of social media are: the access of social media can provide opportunities for information sharing. It can enhance skills and knowledge of an individual. Youths can utilize online communities for education and academic assistance and support. Social media also provide opportunities of staying connected with friends and family and making new friends. It helps people to share content, pictures, videos and audios amongst each other. Social media also strengthens an individual's existing interpersonal relationships. Social media has a huge impact on the community. Social media helps people to unite and work towards a specified goal. This brings positive changes to the society. Social media can also help to create awareness in the society through online campaigns, advertisements, and promotions, which will keep people up to date with the latest information. Social media is also responsible for increasing media literacy. This has helped to develop new skills and participate effectively and safely in the new digital environment. Participation in social media sites also helps to foster creativity among individuals, which also develops a sense of identity in them. Social media platforms are used for online discussions and mobilization, which helps to create civic engagement and political participation. This helps to expand reach to new and diverse audience. Social media can also be useful for business organizations. Public media platforms can help an organization to stay close to each other and make their customers easier to conduct surveys and research that can be used to improve their business operations. Some of the negative impacts of social media are: one of the biggest risks of using social media is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying involves the use of digital media to communicate false, embarrassing, or hostile information about another person. This can cause profound psychological issues such as depression, anxiety, isolation, withdrawal, and even suicidal attempts. Studies have also shown that social media use can be as addictive as alcohol and cigarette addiction. This could hamper an individual's well-being. Social media has corroded an individual's memories as well as the attention span. People are constantly scanning the web for information. With the advanced digital communication, there is also a possibility of creating false identities and superficial connections. Information on social media platforms can be manipulative. Information sent and received may not always be genuine and real. Sharing too much information on social media sites puts an end to privacy and can lead to online harassment by users. There is also risk of communicating with unknown persons. Social media can also be a threat to the cybersecurity of a nation. The use of social networking sites can lead to cyber crimes. With the advanced technology, cyber attacks are increasing every day. Spending too much time on social media sites can cause isolation from the real world. I will provide you an overview of what we have covered in this video. Technology has become an integral part of everyone's life. Social media provides a new and interesting environment for people to get involved with. The online space has expanded and developed with the advancement in technology. People can create accounts on several social networking sites and share content, videos, photos and audios with their friends and family. Social media has helped to stay connected with friends and also socialize and make new friends through online communities and groups. People can take part in discussions and contribute to the society. Social media has transformed the way people communicate with each other. It has evolved and developed over time. Online discussions and forums were initially started, which gradually changed into sites for socialization. The most popular networking sites are Facebook and Twitter, which has become a huge part of millions of people worldwide. The impact of such sites can also be positive and negative depending on the user's purpose to participate in the online community. Social media also allows large companies and organizations to reach large numbers of people. On one hand, it facilitates communication. However, on the other hand, this can result in false and superficial connections. There have been instances of online harassment which can have a profound impact on the individual being targeted. The large user base on social media sites shows that people are increasingly exchanging and sharing information in the virtual communities and networks. The implications of sharing too much information can also lead to privacy issues. The online activities by the users can have potential positive and negative impact on not only themselves but also on the community. Despite some shortcomings, social media has gained widespread acceptance and popularity on the lives of millions of people worldwide. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found the module useful.